Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my video today. Today's video, we're going to talk about Discover Heal, and we're going to really zoom into one product today, Big Profile Profits. We're going to talk about this particular product because it will teach you how to build your own business using social media, and especially Facebook, of how you can go ahead and stand out with good brand recognition, with good brand awareness, and a really a movement and awareness that people want to follow you. So you want to pay attention to this message. If this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button and go ahead and hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. You know what time it is. And it's time to talk about the product called Big Profile Profits. Now this product here, and I'm telling you right now, I'm in the course right as we speak, and I love what I see. Mainly because the owner of the company of Heal, which is Steven Munson, has made millions of dollars using Facebook, basically how he's made his money, and he's teaching the community of Heal of how you can grow your Facebook account and any type of social media strategy that he has in his course to go ahead and help you build your business right now. So what it is though, when you go ahead and sign up, now what you want to do right below this video right here, you want to go ahead and sign up to be part of Heal. Once you do that, you want to upgrade to be a VIP suitcase coach. It has training there to get things set up for your business and your mindset and your awareness. It has a set of videos in the back office, which is right here, and you want to go ahead and follow those as well. But the product we're talking about today is called Big Profile Profits, and I really like the course because a lot of people don't know how to really set their business up using Facebook, because I'm telling you, Facebook, you got so many users on there. It's like the third most popular search engine we have on the internet. Oh my goodness, it's probably millions of people on Facebook right now searching for what you're looking for, searching for you. But this guy here teaches you how to stand out in front of the competition. And basically the first course he has is called Brand Recognition, which basically means it's pretty much creating a cover photo like this, but more in terms of standing out in front of the competition, because a lot of people don't really understand that. And if you don't understand that, you definitely need to go on this course. And in the second course, he talks about pretty much how to use your Facebook profile to stand out as well. So basically any images, a cover photo. He also just talks about using a story behind anything you post. So if you make a post on something, you want to go ahead and have a story behind it. It's so important to have a story behind anything you're doing, because the story sells and advertises and markets what you all talking about. So if you have a powerful story behind anything you're doing right now, people will gravitate towards that, right? It's all about the story. It's not really about necessarily just an offer. And that's what makes Heal special, because it's just not an offer. It's a movement. It's something that people can really follow and be a part of. So this is all I want to talk about today. Big Profile Profits. If you have a Facebook account, and if you want to learn social media strategy, if you want to learn how to get leads off Facebook, if you want to get free leads, literally free leads using your Facebook profile and strategies, Big Profile Profits does it. I'm telling you, people will teaches this strategy that can cost over thousands of dollars, and this guy got it like $199. I believe it might be $149. I'm not sure yet. So go ahead and take advantage of this offer right now. Right below this video, click on that link, get started with it. And also, when you get started with us today, you'll be part of my private Facebook group as well, and then you'll get more information there, and you also will get information from Heal. They have their own Facebook group that teach you your strategies on an everyday basis for you can get results, building business, making money online, and more importantly, building a legacy for you and your family to be proud of. So click on the link below to go ahead and get started, and I cannot wait to see you on the inside.